Hello guys, and welcome back to another video from Florida. It is currently day 5 and I'm eating some maple brown sugar oatmeal. It's the best flavour, hands down, by far. Okay, so we're here now at Universal Studios Orlando. Let's have some fun. That was amazing. That was really good, but it kind of does throw you around quite like. It's a really rough roller coaster, but it's all fun just the same. Okay, so next ride we're going on is the Revenge of the Mummy. We've been on this before in California, so we know what to expect. It's one of our favourite rides from there, so we're going to give it a ride again. Let's do it. Okay, so I mentioned we went on the Mummy ride at Universal Hollywood. Now that ride that we just went on was completely different. In a way, kind of better, but completely different. Right now, we're going to be going on the Transformers ride. Now, we went on this at Universal Hollywood, but my guess is it's going to be in some way slightly different. We'll have to wait and find out though. Okay, so that one was actually the complete same, which is weird. Let's go see if there's any more outdoor rides, because I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like it's gonna hammer it down raining soon, which has happened like for the past 2 days now. There's been like thunderstorms, really heavy rain, and it just means you get soaked pretty much. Okay then, so right now we are just in Islands of Adventure, which is the park next to Universal Studios. We just went on that Jimmy Fallon ride or attraction, whatever you want to call it. It was, you know, it was okay, but it's pretty much just like a 3D simulator ride, which I'm not a massive fan of, but it was all good. Now I think there's a pretty big roller coaster in this park, so we're probably going to head over and ride that first. I think later on, probably towards the time both these parks closes, one closes at 6, the other closes at 7. That's probably when we're going to be heading to the Hard Rock Cafe to get dinner. But obviously we've already had, you know, fruit, yogurt, all that good stuff, so we're alright for a little bit. So yeah, let's try and ride as many rides as possible. The good thing is that, you know, it's not too busy, so the ride wait times are literally like 10-15 minutes. So this is what we're riding first, definitely. Okay, so the Hulk ride, that green roller coaster, that is done. I didn't expect it at all. Like, he just went up this ramp and then without even any warning, he just zoomed you off and that's it. It's really good. Just for the fact that I couldn't see for half it because the sun was so bright, and so yeah, that made it pretty difficult to see. But I don't know why, but feeling pretty tired right now. And
I didn't turn it off last night.
I know, I don't know why either. But I'm gonna plan what rides we're gonna go on, and yeah, then I guess go ride them. right now then we're just gonna go on this, and it's pretty much basically a log flume. Let's do it. That one got a thumbs up from me, and I'm a little bit wet too. Yeah, let's just say that's the most wet I've ever got on any water ride ever. This was light grey earlier. Okay, so after we came off the Rapids ride, obviously we got completely soaked on that. We then went on to do the King Kong ride, and then we came off that and it's just hammering it down the rain, which we knew was going to happen. But then obviously we got even, you know, we was getting slightly dry, but then we got, you know, completely soaked again. And then we just kind of sat in a restaurant for an hour to try and dry off. Didn't really happen. And then we went to the Harry Potter ride, went on that once. Oh, actually I went on twice. Daniel went on once. And it's around 6 o'clock now, so we decided we're just going to head to the Hard Rock Cafe and get some dinner and hopefully try and dry off a little bit just before we get to the car. Water. It's bloody rain. It's bloody rain. Some bloody water on the lens.
You got water?
Yeah. Hard Rock Cafe meal done. I had a ribeye with mashed potatoes, green beans, and some fries to share. Girlfriend had fajitas, chicken fajitas, which she wasn't happy with. The chicken didn't seem cooked, to be honest, but the mancha did take it off the bill, so that's all good. Means more money in my bank. And then we had some Oreo cheesecake to share. Only to share because I have some cheesecake from yesterday left over back.
You have cheesecake left?
Yeah, back at the hotel, and I'm gonna have that when I get back. So yeah, had a good day at Universal. It's been a pretty eventful day given the fact that it's been raining for the past 3-4 hours, and we're both still drenched. My feet are absolutely soaking. I haven't managed to dry them off whatsoever. We are making our way back to the car and hopefully drying off just a little bit, then heading back. I'm gonna finish that cheesecake from yesterday, and then we are going to be heading to the gym, I believe. And I think the gym's called I think it's called either the Strength Gym or like Strength and Fitness Gym or something like that, but it's in Orlando anyway. So yeah, we'll see you when we get back, I suppose. What is up, guys? So right now we are just at Power Strength and Fitness Gym in Orlando, Florida. Okay guys, so finished the workout now then. The gym closed at 12, so I had to finish up the workout early. Had a decent one though. For the most part hit my numbers, but you know, like I said, I just got in what I could get in. Right now we are just at Walmart stocking up on a few things, getting ready for this storm that's coming in a few days. Hopefully get some water and some essentials like that. But yeah, let's see if they actually have any in stock here. We're at a different Walmart to the one we went to the other day, but the Walmart that we went to the other day was literally cleared out of water, pretty much cleared out of that soda, bread and all that stuff as well. So we'll see if we're in luck here. So straight up we just asked the guy if they have any water, and he said they've all sold out. And pretty much all the stores in Orlando have sold out of water too. That's right. Okay then, so we are back at the hotel. Stopped off at 7-Eleven. Didn't end up picking up any water, but we went to a vending machine outside of Walmart and just got like 5 bottles. They're only not 40 cents each, just got like 5 small bottles. Then I ended up picking up 2 Quest bars from this 7-Eleven. This one is the, I think it's mint chocolate chip. I haven't tried this flavour before. But I also got another one which was the cookies and cream, which I'm pretty sure everyone's tried that like it. It's a pretty standard flavour for Quest. But yeah, let's give this one a try. Haven't had a Quest bar in so long, but flavor's pretty good on this, but it's a little bit dry. Flavor's good though. Okay, so tomorrow we will be heading over to Tampa Bay, probably sometime in the evening after we've been to the gym, you know, had a look around Orlando and Kissimmee, maybe been to the shooting range, but we'll see about that. We'll see if that actually goes down and happens. But yeah, it's about 2 AM now. Probably looking to get to bed pretty soon because, like I said, you know, tomorrow's going to be pretty busy. You know, got to pack up and get everything ready for the move over to Tampa. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Another day in Florida. Please make sure to give this a like. I really do appreciate when you guys give these videos a like. It does help the videos get out to more people. It helps the channel grow, so I do appreciate that a lot when you guys do that. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.